To add a checkbox to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. Click on the product you want to add the checkbox to. Then click on the Add Variant button if you want the checkbox to apply to a specific variant. Or click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Product if you want the checkbox to apply to the entire product. In the Product Details page, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Product. Scroll down to the Product Description section and click on the Show HTML button. This will open the HTML editor, where you can add the checkbox code. To add a checkbox, you will need to use HTML code. The basic code for a checkbox is input type checkbox name value checkbox value. For example, if you want to add a checkbox for gift wrapping, the code would be input type checkbox name gift wrapping value yes. You can also add a label to the checkbox by wrapping the input code in a label tag. For example, label gift wrapping input type checkbox name gift wrapping value yes label. This will display the text gift wrapping next to the checkbox. Once you have added the checkbox code, click on the Save button to save the changes. The checkbox will now appear on the product page, and customers can select it when they add the product to their cart. To make the checkbox functional, you will need to add some JavaScript code to the product page. This code will need to capture the checkbox selection and add it to the cart. You can add this code to the product page by clicking on the Online Store button in the Shopify admin panel, then clicking on the Themes button, and finally clicking on the Actions drop-down menu and selecting Edit Code. In the code editor, navigate to the product liquid file and add the JavaScript code to capture the checkbox selection. The code will depend on your specific requirements, but it will typically involve using the Shopify API to add the checkbox selection to the cart. Finally, test the checkbox to make sure it is working as expected. Add the product to the cart with the checkbox selected, and verify that the checkbox selection is captured and displayed in the cart. With these steps, you can add a checkbox to your Shopify product page and make it functional using JavaScript code.